Best Induction Cooktop. The growing demand for the best induction cooktop stems from the shift toward faster, safer, and more energy-efficient cooking solutions. Buyers want appliances that deliver precision heating, long-lasting durability, and user-friendly layouts suitable for kitchens of all sizes. This guide evaluates performance type, build quality, control layout, portability, and overall value to help you choose the ideal induction cooktop, whether you cook daily, meal prep often, or want a reliable backup to your main stove.
Product number 1. Duckstop Black 9100MC by BTM20B Induction Cooktop. The Duckstop 9100MC/BTM20B is a highly reliable single-burner cooktop known for its efficiency, compact design, and excellent temperature control. With 15 preset power levels up to 1800 watts, it heats quickly and maintains stable temperatures, a great fit for boiling, simmering, sautéing, or deep frying. The digital control panel is easy to navigate, offering a straightforward cooking experience for beginners and experienced users alike. Its lightweight build makes it ideal for dorms, RVs, offices, and small kitchens. The cooktop includes safety features such as auto pan detection and overheat protection, giving users added peace of mind. The smooth glass surface wipes clean in seconds, making maintenance effortless. Overall, the Duckstop 9100 balances performance and affordability, making it one of the most dependable options for anyone needing a versatile, portable induction burner.
Product number 2. New Wave PIC Flex Induction Cooktop. The New Wave PIC Flex stands out for its highly precise temperature settings and excellent energy efficiency. It provides 45 temperature increments from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving cooks remarkable control over delicate tasks like melting chocolate or slow simmering. With a flexible temperature probe and intuitive digital controls, it caters especially well to users who need accuracy for recipes requiring consistent heat. The included 9-inch nonstick pan adds extra value, making it a complete starter kit for cooking straight out of the box. Lightweight yet sturdy, the PIC Flex is a dependable option for apartments, travel, and small cooking stations. Its safety shutoff system activates when no pan is detected, helping prevent accidents. Though compact, the heating performance is strong and even, making it excellent for daily use. For shoppers wanting precision with portability, the New Wave PIC Flex offers outstanding value.
Product number 3. New Wave Pro Chef Induction Cooktop. Designed with professional-grade performance in mind, the New Wave Pro Chef Induction Cooktop is ideal for home chefs and commercial environments alike. It delivers temperature accuracy in 5-degree increments and a powerful 1800-watt heating system that quickly reaches high heat for searing, boiling, and fast stir-frying. The durable stainless steel construction and reinforced glass surface make it suitable for heavy everyday use. Its ability to maintain ultra-low temperatures also makes it a strong choice for slow cooking, sous vide support, and delicate sauces. The compact footprint fits seamlessly into food trucks, catering setups, and restaurant prep stations. With built-in safety features and an easy-to-read display, the Pro Chef offers a reliable and controlled cooking experience. If you want commercial-level durability paired with home-friendly convenience, this model stands out as one of the strongest performers.
Product number 4. Chongburt Induction Cooktop. The Chongburt Induction Cooktop is engineered for users who want powerful performance in a rugged, restaurant-ready design. Featuring 1800 watts of heating power, it uses commercial-grade components that ensure durability and long-term reliability. Its advanced IGBT technology allows precise temperature adjustments, offering consistent heat for both low-temperature simmering and rapid boiling. The stainless steel frame and thick glass cooking surface provide added strength while maintaining a sleek look. A standout feature is its wide temperature range, making it suitable for tasks such as frying, steaming, sautéing, and melting. The fan-cooled system prevents overheating, even during extended cooking periods. While slightly heavier than typical home units, this is intentional. It's built to last and perform under demanding conditions. For anyone seeking a tough, dependable induction cooktop with excellent heat consistency, the Changbert model is a top contender.
Product number 5. New Wave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop. The New Wave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop offers a perfect balance of usability, portability, and advanced temperature control. With 52 temperature settings from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, it gives cooks the flexibility to master everything from gentle warming to high-heat searing. Its 1500-watt output ensures efficient cooking while maintaining energy savings. The large display and responsive buttons make it user-friendly, and the delay start features add convenience for busy households. This model is also known for its even heating and quick responsiveness when adjusting temperatures. The Gold PIC is compact and easy to store, yet powerful enough to serve as a primary cooking surface in small kitchens or RVs. Safety features like automatic shutoff and induction-ready pan detection enhance peace of mind. For versatility combined with excellent control, the New Wave Gold stands out as a feature-rich and reliable choice.